Go figure, I'm having technical difficulties again. Sometimes I wonder if the other side doesn't want us doing this. All right, let's get started. We are today. Yesterday we focused on grounding. Today we're actually going to lift up and just spend a little time in the divine's arms and just feel the comfort of his love and just sit there in peace. If there's a message you are intended to receive, we'll ask for that message. So let's get started with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll do a simple guided meditation. Just about when I'm going to speak again, I'm going to click the chimes so you know we are coming out of the meditation, and we will close with the 23rd Psalm. So thanks for joining me, guys. Good morning, and let's get started. I'm going to start with a deep breath, but first I exhale as far as you can, and then inhale. It creates a different type of relaxation. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath and just invite yourself to relax and let go. Scan your body and invite your body to follow your mind's instructions of releasing and relaxing any tight spots. Let's make sure our feet are flat on the floor and invite our spirit to be grounded a few inches into the ground as we are going to reach up to the divine. We want to hold that connection to the earth, so we are his tool to channel his love through us to the earth and all those upon it. Let us start by bringing our attention to our crown, the top of our head, and our third eye between our eyebrows. Notice the vibration there. That is where the divine is always bringing in the beautiful energy. And if you notice your bottom of your feet, there's a slight tingle because that is where the energy flows back into the earth to be recycled through the universe back up to God. And if we're a clear channel for that love from the divine to just flow to everybody else. Let us bring the energy of the divine. Let's follow it. We're not bringing it, it's always there. Let's follow it into our head and notice how we get lighter. Like our body wants to pull away, our spirit wants to separate. And it's fine if you separate slightly into our neck, our chest, our arms and hands, our trunk, our hips and seat, thighs, ankles, and feet, and out back into the earth. Now we're going to follow that energy one more time and stop in the second chakra, the dantian, just below the belly button. Feel it get warm. Feel the energy twirling there for a moment. Actually feel that chakra starting to open. We focus on this chakra because that is where our spirit, that part of us that is connected to the divine spiritually, rests. And as we mingle with the divine, regaining our strength, let us rise up. Feel the energy moving up your spine to your third chakra, which is near your stomach, your fourth, which is near your heart. Feel it rise into your throat. Almost feels like something stuck there. Up to the middle of your head and out your third eye and crown. You rise up. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker. And let us sit in the comfort of God's arms. And should we have a message, may we receive it. Let us be grateful for this private, quiet time and grateful for any messages we may receive. And as we pull ourselves into our body, knowing we are always connected to the divine, we can always reach up whenever we need Him. We settle back into our dantian, feeling the vibrations settling into our bodies. We close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me, guys. Hopefully we don't have this computer glitch on Wednesday night's show. Hope you can all join Chris and I then. Have a great and blessed day. Bye-bye.